Welcome back to a lecture series on GIS. In this lecture, we are now going to discuss about the digital elevation model in GIS. A digital elevation model is a representation of bare ground level topographic surface of the earth, excluding tree, building, and other surfaces. It means DM, digital elevation model, comprises of this. 3D surfaces, which what we are now going to do with the ArcGIS system. Right? It is a representation of ground surface, ground topographic surface, not included tree height and building height. There are 3 steps involved in. One is creating a DEM. The second one is creating contour from DEM, and the third step is to generate triangular irregular network, TIN model. So 3 steps. Step 1 is DEM, raster image preparation. The step 2 is creating a contour from raster data, DEM data, and generate TIN model. Once if you open ArcGIS, as you know that the map window will come. Now you have to add the data. So we have downloaded a digital elevation model data. This is DEM data, TIFF. It is in the form of TIFF. You see the height values of 1978 and low value height of from the low value plain regions 4 and height regions are. You can use the different color shades. The blue colors are higher elevated region, whereas the brown color is the low elevated region. So this is the natural data. Now you are going to create a DEM using the digital elevation data, raster data. Now what you have to do, you have to create a contour first. Go to Arc toolbox. You have to select the spatial analysis tool, surface. You have to go to select the surface, and in that contour you double click. Give the input file as your the source file. Now before that you have to select a small area, because it is a larger area. It will take much time. You take a small boundary and do. I am going to do it only with this box. So otherwise it will take much time for the TIN calculation and all. So assume that this is my study area, and now I am going to do creating contour for this area. So input raster is your data source, and output polygon file you have to give the contour data, contour interval, and the environment you have to select. Processing extent, here you have to specify the layer boundary, otherwise it will do for the entire area. And you have to select the raster maximum data input. Boundary is the mask. It means it will do only with the boundary region. And give OK. And here also give OK. Contour interval you select 20. Now you see at the bottom contour which is coming. It means it is now the contour map of the boundary region is drawn from the DEM data. Now from the contour we are going to build the triangular irregular network, TIN model. Now I am going to generate the TIN model from this by using this contour data. So I have to take 3D surface, 3D analysis tool. You have to open data management. In the data management, so in the TIN you have to check TIN and create TIN. Double click create TIN. Use create TIN by giving the output TIN DEM, your DEM boundary informations. You keep your this is output file where you are going to keep your DEM, and coordinate system. As you know that we are using world WGS84. You give OK, and input feature class is your the boundary, but contour now we have to give as height value. Instead of height value, we have to give the contour value for the creation of this. Yes, give OK, and you see at the bottom creating a tin is under process. So it will take few seconds to build. Yeah, now it is constructed. That's why it's coming. It is like triangular, takes the height value, first height value, second height value, and third height value. So it will construct a triangular pillar, like, that this is now very clear that it looks like real Earth system, and you can change even the symbology you want. Now you play with your layer properties. According to your that liking, you keep your elevations into various, like, you see, you take select elevation, and in the elevation you just in the color ramp you can change, so automatically the colors will change, right? Click here, and then in the ramp you can change the color. Give OK. Now your tin model, I mean DEM, is generated. Zoom it to the maximum level and see. Now the clarity of the Earth surface domain is now predicted by using this. You can do a lot of modeling by using this hydrological modeling, water movement modeling, and the other things. With this, the lecture on creating DEM in ArcGIS is come to an end. Thank you very much.